There are so many ways in which you can take care of your hair. There are so many ways you can have like the hair of your dreams, but most of you are not willing to put in the work. And I am trying my best to help you out on this page as much as I can. So that is why I'm doing this particular video. So first off, in order for you to grow your hair healthy and long, you need to invest in good products. You need to have amazing products to nourish your hair. That is why I try to do product recommendations on my page. If you need product recommendations, check on my page. You'll see a list of them, reviews and all of that, right? Moving on. Do hairstyles that will not cause tension to your edges. Can you see? This is what we call edges, obviously, like your baby hairs. So there's a kind of hairstyles you will do that will cause tension to these edges and you will lose them, and also cause tension to your main hair and you will lose them. Hairstyles like your Ghana weaving or any form of tight hairstyles that you know in your heart is not good for you, ditch it, so that your hair can actually thrive and grow beautifully, right? Moving on, try to do DIYs like your rosemary oil, your flaxseed gel, your aloe vera gel, like you infuse different kind of herbs, Ayurvedic herbs, into your oil or your water, right? And spray on your hair or apply on your hair. That would over time absorb into your scalp and stimulate hair growth. I wish I knew this sooner. So for me to be giving you this free tip, hold on to it like a rare gem, right? And moving on, ensure that you try your best to protect your hair at night. What's the need of doing all this work when you will sleep without a bonnet, you sleep without a silk scarf, you sleep without protecting your hair at night? Try. So this is an example of a silk scarf. So if you don't have a bonnet, you can actually tie this on your hair at night, right? The reason why I recommend a silk scarf is because it has a very smooth surface that your hair can easily glide on like this. Do you understand? Like there's no friction between your hair and the scarf. So you'll not be scared that your hair will start pulling on this or it will start maybe pulling out your hair. Do you get? It will only just glide on it. So you're sure your hair will not break when you're using anything of silk material. Even down to your ribbon, you can use a silk ribbon. So all these things are intentional. There's a reason for we hair coaches and all of us, like enthusiasts in general, where we use these things, is because this will not have friction between your hair and this material in quotes. So yeah, that's just basically it. Just focus on all of this and more to come, right? I'm your favorite hair coach, and if you need like a detailed explanation on how I grew my hair, click the link in the bio to get your ebook.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.